If you're feeling stiff or tight in your neck, shoulders, or back, then this is the session for you. Join me as we melt away tension, improve posture, and restore comfort to your upper body, all while entirely seated in a chair. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing at center, moving into shoulder shrugs. Inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, release, relaxing. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhales begin to ease away any tension through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall with your shoulders down and back, begin to alternate, relaxing one ear towards your shoulder, moving from right to left, allowing this gentle stretch to create more space and ease through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Adding on, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. Release and return to center. Sitting tall with your shoulders down and back. Draw your elbows in towards your sides with your palms facing upward. Begin to alternate rotating your arms open and returning to starting position, maintaining your palms facing upward and your elbows in towards your sides, moving through your own range of motion, feeling these little rotations work through your rotator cuff muscles, helping to stabilize your shoulders while improving your posture. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Adding on, inhale, draw your elbows in towards your sides, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, sweep your arms forward with the backs of your hands facing each other, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, waking up the energy of your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.